natural health for beginners.
Discover the secret to radiant, glowing skin with red saffron face oil. This YouTube video guides you through an easy, step-by-step process to create this luxurious skincare elixir at home. Whether you're new to DIY skincare or a seasoned enthusiast, this recipe is perfect for those seeking natural, effective solutions. Ingredients you'll need: saffron threads, 10 to 12 strands, rich in antioxidants and brightening properties. Sweet almond oil, 2 tablespoons, hydrating and nourishing for all skin types. Rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon, famed for its anti-aging benefits. Jojoba oil, 1 tablespoon, balances skin's natural oils. Vitamin E oil, 3 to 5 drops, enhances skin hydration and acts as a preservative. Optional essential oils: 2 to 3 drops of lavender or geranium oil, for added fragrance and benefits. Step-by-step instructions. Prepare the saffron-infused base. Add the saffron threads to a clean glass jar. Pour the sweet almond oil over the saffron strands and let them infuse for 24 to 48 hours for maximum potency. Blend the oils. Strain the saffron-infused oil into a mixing bowl to remove the threads. Add the rosehip oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E oil to the strained saffron oil, customized with essential oils, optional. Stir in 2 to 3 drops of your chosen essential oil for fragrance and additional skin benefits. Store your face oil. Pour the final blend into a dark amber glass dropper bottle to preserve its potency. Label the bottle with the date and ingredients for easy reference. How to use: apply 3 to 4 drops to clean, dry skin in the morning or evening. Gently massage the oil into your skin using upward circular motions. Benefits of red saffron face oil: brightens complexion. Saffron is renowned for reducing dark spots and evening skin tone. Hydrates deeply. The combination of oils locks in moisture for soft, smooth skin. Anti-aging properties. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, this oil helps combat signs of aging. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.